What if the sweetener you choose every day could affect your blood sugar, insulin resistance, liver health, weight gain, and even pregnancy safety? Today, we compare stevia, monk fruit, and allulose using real science. Millions of people switch to sugar alternatives believing they're healthy. But not all sweeteners work the same inside your body.
One sweetener may help reduce calories, another tastes closest to real sugar, and one could cause digestive problems if overused. Let's uncover the truth.
Stevia comes from the Stevia rebaudiana plant, native to South America, where indigenous communities used its leaves for sweetness long before modern sugar substitutes existed.
Monk fruit originated in southern China and has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Allulose is different. It's a rare sugar naturally found in tiny amounts in foods like figs and raisins, but today it's mostly produced commercially. The biggest difference between these sweeteners is how your body processes them after consumption. Stevia contains compounds called stevioglycosides. They activate sweet taste receptors without significantly raising blood glucose levels.
Monk fruit sweetness comes from antioxidants called magrosides, which provide sweetness without the metabolic impact of regular sugar.
Allulose looks chemically similar to sugar, but your body absorbs very little of it for energy, making it extremely low in calories. Regular sugar rapidly increases blood glucose and insulin demand. Stevia, monk fruit, and allulose generally produce much smaller metabolic responses. High sugar intake over time contributes to insulin resistance. Research suggests replacing sugar with low-calorie sweeteners may help reduce this metabolic burden. For many people with diabetes, these sweeteners can be useful alternatives because they usually cause minimal blood glucose spikes compared to regular sugar. HbA1c measures average blood sugar over approximately 3 months. Lowering excess sugar intake can improve long-term glucose control. Studies suggest replacing sugar-sweetened beverages with low-calorie alternatives may help improve HbA1c levels when combined with healthy diet and exercise. Because stevia, monk fruit, and allulose contain few or no calories, they may support weight loss when they replace high-calorie sugar consumption. However, sweeteners alone are not magic. Overeating processed foods can still contribute to weight gain. Taste is where these sweeteners become very different. Stevia is intensely sweet, but many people notice a bitter or licorice-like aftertaste.
Monk fruit is often described as smoother and less bitter than stevia, making it popular in drinks and desserts.
Allulose tastes the closest to real sugar and even browns like sugar during baking.
Excess added sugar is strongly linked to fatty liver disease. Replacing some sugar with low-calorie alternatives may help reduce this burden.
Better blood sugar control is important for kidney protection, especially in people with diabetes. During pregnancy, moderation matters.
So stevia and monk fruit are safe?
Regulatory agencies consider approved amounts safe.
But I should still check with you.
Because allulose is newer in the food market, long-term pregnancy data is still more limited compared to older sweeteners.
Large amounts of certain sweeteners or sweetener blends may cause bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort in sensitive individuals.
Researchers like Dr. David Ludwig of Harvard and Dr. Robert Lustig have emphasized the metabolic risks of excessive sugar intake and the importance of improving dietary patterns. In the United States, stevia, monk fruit, and allulose are generally recognized as safe when consumed within recommended limits. Stevia may be ideal for people prioritizing blood sugar control and very low-calorie intake. Monk fruit may appeal to people who want a more natural sweet taste with minimal bitterness. Allulose is especially useful for baking because it behaves more like real sugar than most alternatives. The biggest mistake is assuming every sugar-free product is healthy. Many still contain highly processed ingredients. Stevia excels in blood sugar control. Monk fruit offers smoother taste. Allulose performs best in baking and tastes closest to real sugar.
No sweetener is perfect, But understanding how each one affects metabolism, insulin, diabetes, liver health, and taste helps you make smarter long-term health decisions.
If you enjoy evidence-based nutrition content, subscribe to Nutrition Dynamics and join us for more science-backed videos that separate health myths from reality.